So guys, we just arrived here at Hong Kong's biggest theme park, and it's known as the happiest place on earth, the Hong Kong Disneyland. Come on, let's go! The whole Disneyland ground is wet because of this heavy downpour. I hope that this rain will stop as the day progresses para makapasyal lang kami ng maayos.
I don't even think they're paying attention.
'Yun, no, kita ka.
Introduce My Jarvis. No complex interface to learn. Just speak and we have tested Stark Everglass in numerous applications.
In fact.
Okay, Sonny, it's not funny anymore.
現代人生活繁忙，要兼顧嘅事有好多，仲有好多嘢係需要我哋去記低嘅。可以有個私人助理幫下手。
Building is run by the largest arc reactor again.
Makikipag-date kami with Iron Man
We would like you now to
dito
pay
sa
close attention
Hong
to
Kong
the following
Disneyland.
safety information.
When the automatic doors have opened,
See you later!
proceed to
Kuya Teng, video.
Stand by, the launch door has malfunctioned. Not the end!
Good. We're almost there, buddy. Hold on. Jarvis, get text. Save the arc reactor.
Ay, si Scooby-Doo.
你諗下裏面有幾多精彩嘅歷險旅程呢？奇異嘅地方，你睇，我哋喺呢度出現，你喺嗰度入面。弊咯，我哋跟住實闖大禍咯。高飛，冷靜啲，幫我。I'm not king of the swingers home.
May tarsier.
Parang yung kanina dito. Bye. Tagalog na eh.
Yung chick na.
Chinese na to.
What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey.
Ay, di naman na kailangan ito.
Wake up! It's showtime!
Mas clear po tanggalin mo na.
Our guest, be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry. Howdy, you must be the new toys. I'm Sheriff Woody.
Napicture tayo lahat dito.
Around here, have a great time.
Ang pila sa mga rides dito, maabot ng more than 45 minutes. So, wala kami.
Airport na.
Kasi sinasabi
Dalawa
nila,
na lang tayo, tapos ano na tayo, Paris na.
kaya we have to endure the long lines like this one. Say hi, Archie. Okay ka na? Last na to. Umatras! Brace yourself! Chi! Look at that! Okay ka lang?
Ayoko na!
Meron nang mahihimatay dito oh. May mahihimatay na.
For your own safety, please remain seated throughout the trip and keep your whole body inside my bowl. Okay.
This is the theater wherein the
In celebration of your arrival, we present the story of your life. The legend of how a proud Jamaican named Simba became the noble king of Pride Rock. It is a story of courage and friendship. It is the legend of the Lion King.
我哋而家講俾大家聽獅子王嘅傳奇故事。Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored. I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, my grace, my heroics?
Nala, Simba's childhood sweetheart. She brings strength and love to Simba.
Nala 生得又靚，心地又好。
Never! I scout the king, and you ain't never going to help me. I know that your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's back.
That is the legend of the Lion King. I hope your majesty is pleased.
What a wonderful celebration！就係咁，先爸憑住佢嘅勇氣同埋朋友嘅愛，終於拯救咗佢嘅王國，令到佢嘅國土更加和諧啊！
Thank you, my friends. We all have our own place in the circle of life. That was great. Now let's all join in this celebration.
一齊嚟啦！快啲啦！快啲啦！快啲啦！